Well, initially, before we had any method of gaining access to the lorry bodies, the lorry drivers would actually climb the steps provided by the tipper body manufacturers to gain access into the body, which proved difficult because it wasn't safe to do that, because at the top they would have to turn through 180 degrees and then drop down into the body, and coming out they would have to do the same. You would get the transfer of material from one site to another being brought in, so to make sure that we were sending out the right product and there was no contamination, we would need to get in and clear the body floor. That's why we were doing it. So we knocked a few ideas about and we came up with various options. We took a view on what would be the best method of an access platform. We had to make sure that the actual truck driver was safe on the whole platform, so that included incorporating handrails either the side of a staircase leading up to a gate, which was a spring-loaded return gate. We then needed a method that the operator could winch down the ladder into the body, but also to make sure they can't get up the ladder and onto the platform and walk away. What we did, we extended the handrails, which enabled us to let them drop down below the platform, to make sure that the driver would have to raise the ladders to actually get off of the platform. The feedback that we've had has been really positive from external hauliers and from our own guys as well. It seems to work very well for them, and they feel safer doing it, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking that everybody works safely on the company, and this has helped them no end.